Connie Kaczynski. I've lived in this home for 35 years with my husband, Ken. We have 3 children, and it was time to do a remodel of this kitchen.
We had interviewed 4 or 5 companies, and OHI was working down the street. And one of the things that struck us about them, once they started that project, they were there every day. We called them, and Terry came out and listened to us and came back with a plan that we really liked.
The selection process was great. What I did not want to do was have to go shop here to get this and go shop there and get that. What was really nice is that the OHI showroom had so many options to choose from.
I think one of my favorite is the under cabinet lighting and how bright it is, but how discreet it is at the same time. I love the island, and I just think that the functionality of the kitchen is way different than what we had before. You know, it's a 1985 design versus a 2023 design. And we've learned a lot in those 35 years about how to be efficient, and that's what this helps us do.
Our project manager was Chris Hilgers. As soon as I met him, the first day Terry brought him here to kind of go over the plan and everything, I knew he was our guy. He was very personable. He treated us with respect, but he was willing to talk to us, spend some time with us, explain what was going on. He was the best communicator, so he was wonderful to work with.
I just thank OHI. We were able to select things at their office. We were able to deal with a small group of people. The communication really never got lost. In my mind, it's clear that we made the right choice.
I want to thank OHI and Terry and Chris and the boys, as I refer to them, for all of their hard work. I knew that they worked really hard to give us what we wanted and give us the space that we wanted, and we couldn't be happier.